Run Lim Division!
Hi, my name is Paul.
CK,
Rix,
Anthony,
Bulin,
Ivan,
Thomas,
Jeremiah Chua,
Tony.
Mei Chong, Hazel Hong.
I'm Andy from Pronex, from Lim Division, has been this team for 1.5 years.
This is my 7th year with Lim Division.
6 to 7 years.
For about 6 years.
6 years,
5 years.
5 years.
precisely about 3.5 years.
3 years.
close to a year now.
10 months already.
In January 2018.
It's my first time here, joining them in the party. I'm going to join Ron's division.
One of my hobbies is playing basketball. There's actually a team in Powerful Negotiators that we've been playing for about 5 years already.
Basketball, jogging,
Jogging, singing.
singing, soccer, gymming.
Probably gym.
Working out in gym, swimming and singing karaoke.
Traveling and going to the KTV.
Is swimming.
Swim as well.
I think swimming lah. Then other than swimming would be work lor.
Is meeting people, doing social work.
Run Lim Division!
I find that the culture in Lim Division is very family orientated.
For the culture over here is fantastic. To be frank, I increased my sales probably more than 3 times of my previous annual because of the sharing culture over here. Especially Ron has guided me throughout, from hand to hand, everything. So wherever, anytime I have any questions, I just give him a call. He will just help me throughout.
If we are not doing as well as we should be, he will also provide the necessary assistance to bring us up to the next level.
And no matter what questions that you want to know and want to find out more, there will be always a willing party to share with you more about everything.
I personally love being in this division because everybody is like a family, a big family, and you know you can always count on each other.
I worked in few other companies, but I found this company and the division especially to be very warm, friendly, and again I repeat, unconditional sharing and the willingness to share. I really enjoy. It's a privilege being part of the team.
The whole Lim Division has came out together and I find that it's very interesting. And every one of us have our share of fun. We went jet skis together and everyone was very happily bonded with, which is very rightful in this culture in Lim Division.
So we enjoy the sun, the sand, the sea, as well as the company here. So it has been a great bonding session for all of us.
We have a fun day today because we have a lot of water sports like motor skis, banana boats, and even a lot of us jumped out from the boat itself.
I'm very thankful to Ron for organizing this event where the members gather together to have fun, while also not forgetting while we are working hard, we also enjoy hard. So thanks to Ron and thanks to the division mates for making this an enjoyable trip.
I find today's event very short.
2018!
This is our Lim Division mid-year retreat. Today we had a fantastic day where I see everyone having so much fun and so much energy. The synergy here is basically amazing. So the rest of 2018, we see that we have a lot of opportunities and the market is really exciting. And I'm sure that everyone will do well and the team will definitely grow to a bigger, higher breakthrough. So here I want to wish everyone here a very successful 2018 and all the best to you. Lim Division! Sailing to success!